I used to think saying yes to every high-ticket client was the secret to scaling an agency. I was wrong. It's actually the fastest way to go bankrupt. Look at this bank balance, $0. I just spent 3 months trapped in a micromanagement hell with a DIY founder who thought a $2,000 retainer gave him the right to call me at 3 a.m. to discuss font psychology. By the time we finished, I had done 87 hours of work. My hourly rate, $22. I was making less than the guy who delivers my pizza. Today, I'm showing you the exact red flags I missed and the one question you must ask every client if you actually want to survive in 2026. Flashback to the first Zoom call. He had that tech bro energy, backwards hat, talking about disrupting the space. He told me he ran his own ads for a year. That right there, red flag number 1. When a client says they know your job, they aren't hiring an expert. They're hiring an expensive assistant to push buttons. In 2026, the DIY founder is your biggest margin killer. They don't value your operational efficiency, they only value their own vision, even when that vision is objectively terrible. Let's look at the board. Most agencies ignore the math of scalable infrastructure. I was trying to build a high-ticket acquisition system for this guy, but we were stuck in a value versus hourly debate for 3 weeks. Because I didn't have ironclad expectations up front, the scope creep ate my profit alive. We lost $87,000 in potential revenue from other clients because my team was busy changing a button color for the 40th time to satisfy one man's ego. I finally realized the traditional agency model is dead. If you're not selling outcomes, you're just selling your life by the hour. I had to do it. I fired him. It was the best $2,000 I ever gave back. I shifted my entire focus to AI workflow automation and retention-based revenue. Suddenly, the desk was clean, the team was happy, and the margins were back at 50%. You can't build a 7-figure agency while being a slave to a 6-figure client. If you're tired of being a glorified employee to your clients, you need to change your vetting process today. I want to hear your horror stories. Pause the video right now, go to the comments, and tell me the most ridiculous small change a client has ever asked you for at midnight. I'm replying to the most painful ones myself. Don't let a DIY founder bankrupt your dreams. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next disaster.